Welcome, this is a video for educational purposes from InfoClub Limited. It is meant for those who need to understand and explain cloud technology in their respective subjects. We are going to define cloud computing, explain its benefits and challenges, where we can use SaaS, PaaS and IaaS with examples. Then we shall look at what Microsoft Azure has to offer and its key features.
Cloud computing refers to the delivery of computing services, including storage, processing power, and applications, over the Internet. Instead of owning and maintaining physical servers or infrastructure, users can access these resources on demand, paying only for what they use. What is SaaS, PaaS, or IaaS? SaaS, software as a service, delivers software applications over the Internet, eliminating the need for users to install, manage, and maintain the software. Examples include Google Workspace, Microsoft 365. PaaS, platform as a service, provides a platform allowing users to develop, run, and manage applications without dealing with the complexity of infrastructure. Examples include Azure Web App, Google App Engine. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, offers virtualized computing resources over the Internet, including virtual machines, storage, and networks. Examples include Amazon EC2, Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines.
Now some examples of scenarios. Using Google Workspace for email, document collaboration, and communication. Many people today use Gmail. That is an example of SaaS. You have developed a website for your company and wants to host it online. You can use a PaaS solution from Azure called App Services. Running a server in your organization could prove expensive and technically difficult. So, the solutions could instead be to create and run a virtual machine on Azure. That's an IaaS solution. Benefits of cloud computing. Cost efficiency. Cloud services often follow a pay-as-you-go model, allowing users to pay for only the resources they consume. For instance, the CAPEX, capital expenditure or initial costs, could be low or zero, and the OPEX, operating expenditure, will also be low due to the fact that you do not have to maintain expensive hardware, networks and software within your business premises. Scalability. Cloud platforms provide the flexibility to scale up or down based on demand, ensuring optimal resource utilization. If you need more storage capacity, for example, this can be added within a few minutes. Flexibility and accessibility. Users can access cloud services from anywhere with an internet connection, promoting remote work and collaboration. Reliability. Cloud providers typically offer high levels of redundancy and reliability, minimizing downtime. Platforms like Azure have data centers in many places over the world. Innovation. Cloud services provide a platform for rapid development and deployment of new applications and services. For instance, on Azure, you have access to a large variety of AI solutions from OpenAI. Now the challenges of cloud computing. Security concerns. Storing data on external servers raises security and privacy issues. For instance, you are exposed to all cybersecurity risks prevalent on the Internet. Downtime. Although rare, cloud outages can impact users and businesses relying heavily on cloud services. Compliance and legal issues. Different regions have different data protection laws, posing challenges for businesses operating globally. Data protection is important for the privacy of your customers as well as your employees. Your organization could be blamed if there are privacy breaches. Limited customization. Some cloud services may have limitations on customization, affecting specific business requirements. For instance, if your IT system has been configured on one cloud platform, it could be difficult, even impossible sometimes, to move it to a different cloud provider. Dependency on internet connectivity. Continuous internet access is crucial for using cloud services. No internet means no access to your cloud solutions. What is Microsoft Azure? Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform and service provided by Microsoft. It has data centers in many countries. It offers a vast array of services that enable organizations to build, deploy, and manage applications and services through Microsoft's global network of data centers. Azure supports various programming languages, frameworks, and operating systems, allowing flexibility for developers and businesses. Now let us look at some key components and services of Azure. Compute services, virtual machines, VMs provide scalable computing resources where users can deploy and manage virtualized Windows or Linux servers. App services, offers a platform for building, deploying, and scaling web apps and APIs without managing infrastructure. Storage services, file storage, fully managed file shares in the cloud. Database services, Azure SQL Database, fully managed relational database service. Cosmos DB, globally distributed, multi-model database service for mission-critical applications. Azure Database for MySQL, PostgreSQL, and others, fully managed databases supporting various open-source platforms. Networking. Virtual Network, provides private and isolated network connectivity. AI and Machine Learning. Azure Machine Learning, enables building, training, and deploying machine learning models. Identity and Access Management. Azure Active Directory, AD cloud-based identity and access management service for securing applications and users. Developer tools. Internet of Things, IoT. Security and Compliance, Azure Security Center, provides advanced threat protection across hybrid workloads. Azure Monitor, provides a comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry data. There are other features of Azure that you should know of. What is orchestration? Orchestration, in the context of cloud computing, primarily refers to the management and coordination of various resources, services, and processes to achieve specific tasks or workflows. Azure Automation. This is a service that helps you automate the creation, deployment, monitoring, and maintenance of resources in your Azure environment. Azure Functions. They allow you to run event-triggered code without explicitly provisioning or managing infrastructure. It's a serverless compute service that supports the execution of functions in response to events, such as HTTP requests or changes in data. Azure Kubernetes Service, AKS. AKS is a managed Kubernetes service on Azure that enables you to orchestrate the deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. Kubernetes, as an orchestration platform, automates the deployment and scaling of containerized applications. Orchestration on Azure is crucial for managing complex scenarios. It plays a key role in achieving automation, efficiency, and reliability in cloud-based solutions. There are many benefits of using Microsoft Azure. Scalability, easily scale resources up or down based on demand. Global presence, Azure has data centers in multiple regions, allowing users to deploy services close to their end users. Integration with Microsoft ecosystem, seamless integration with Microsoft's other products and services like Windows, SQL Server, or Office and development products. Hybrid cloud capability, supports hybrid cloud scenarios, allowing integration with on-premises infrastructure. Diverse ecosystem, extensive marketplace for third-party solutions and services. Easily integrates with OpenAI machine learning models as well as other AI-based solutions. How to know more on Microsoft Azure? There are various ways that you can go about. 1. Create an Azure account. Visit the Azure portal and sign up for an account. Microsoft give you $200 worth of credits that you can use to access any of the Azure resources and try them. 2. Contact our training center for several courses using Azure Cloud Technologies on server administration, databases, software development, AI implementation. Thank you.